Hi, in this video, as I promised, I'm going to show you a very simple way to build a complicated GUIs. However, we started with a very simple GUI, and I'm gonna show you how you build it in a quick way. There are two ways to do it, but the best thing is to go, for instance, this step, not this one. Usually, no, you go to the second one next to it, which is called swing. If you don't have a swing, just let me know, then I can show you how you do it. Of course, what we've done with the GUIs, we use the JFrame. Just in case if you don't want to do that, you can do it from here, whatever projects you have. Just click in here, and you can go to New and Other, and then from Other, you click on Window Builder, and of course under that you can go for the JFrame and so on. But the easiest way is to do it from here. Swing and click on JFrame. So you do that with the name for the for your program. For example, I'm going to call it simple GUI, my class. All right, and that's where your project is. And of course, you can see this is extended. The super class for it is JFrame. So the simple GUI is going to be extend JFrame. If you click on finish, it's done here. Then you come down. Can you see that's a source? That's the source being created for you. If you remember, that's where it is in here. Simple GUI created the frame for you here, set visibles and so on. You can set the titles if you want. However, go to the second one, click on it, and it gives you this. So you can use that one. Some of you, including myself, say, how can I draw on this? Just show you how you do this trick. You go where this here, click here, double click on it, right? It gives you that. You double click on it again, takes you back, right? Double click and takes you here. So you can do frames. I'm gonna build a simple frame just like what in the last video. Don't drag and drop. Do not drag and drop. It doesn't work. You just click on it here and then come here. Can you see it? And click. Simple as that. Done. I want to create, for instance, a button. Here it is. Click on it. Don't drag it. Drag on it, and come any way you want. And click here. You want to change the name, for instance, just what we've done before. Show or print. So print or show a message, for instance. Here you go. It's done for you. And if you look in here, look what's that created. Button is called show, and all of that. Writing is in the center. And you can play around with these ones and thus change the font, the size, the colors, and so on. Right. Let me go and create a button called a new. Of course, if you want to get one, you can right click, copy and paste, or just come in here, click on it, don't drag it. Click on it, you come here, can you see it? Put it next to it if you want, here, and say for instance, clear. Just showing like similar to the health is clear. And if you click in here, you can see the variable is button clear. Then let's do exit, for instance. Here it is, and I'm going to say call it exit. There it is. And if you look in here, exit, you see there's button exit and so on. Now I want to create a text field. Here's text field. Click on it. Come here. Where do you want it? Because we're using actually the absolute layout. Put it anywhere you want. Then put it here, and then drag it to extend it. There you go. There you go. Click on here. Can you see it's text field? Change the name if you want. I would change the name. I like txt, just what we've done before. Sorry, message. There it is. And of course, when you click in here, the writing is going to start from here. If you want it in the center, just click here. There it is. Say, give me center. There it is. So all the writing is going to appear. in the center. Now if I run this, here you go. It is nothing there, nothing there. Why? Because we need to put an action event here, which is the action listener. Close this one. I'll show you how we do it. In order to add the action listener to any one of them, because what we're going to do now, if I want to click on show, I would like this to appear as, say, hello everybody on the screen, right? Say hello everybody to my first GUI or whatever. You double click on it, look, double click. It's going to create, can you see that? Public void action performed. Here, you write your code. Here, inside here. Can you see? The add action listener. That's what we've done by hand. Now, this is doing it. The program is doing it for you. So I can say, remember, it's called txt message. My text field, txt message dot set text. Of course, in here, and I say, welcome to CSC 311 GUI. That's it. Close it. That's it. Done. I go back to the design. Yeah. On a clear, double click on it. It's going to create an event. Can you see it here? Click on it, and it will say txt message set text. But it's empty. Yeah. Then go back. It's done. For exit, double click on exit. It's going to create an event for me. Here it is. Here for the exit. Can you see it? The exit button here. And I can say two ways you can exit the frame. One of them is system dot exit. There it is. And you say I want that 0. Right? This is one of them for the exit. The other one you can call something is called response. Let me run the program first. Run it. There you go. There it is. Show. There it is. Clear. Show. Clear. And exit. Can you see? As for the exit, you can do either system.exit 0 or something else. Want to get rid of the frame, say frame dispose. Right, which is it's not shown in here, but we'll talk about a bit later. But for the moment, we use this one. The reason for that, of course, one last thing before I fix this one here. One last thing in here. Remember, we put write everything in here, right, as a private. Can you see things being created for you, like J button here, btn show. Just get this. It's a good idea to do this. Take it up there for the button here, and there you go. Just put it here, right? And of course, it's a good idea to have it private, because this is an attribute here as a private. The other ones we did for the buttons as well. If you look in here, where's the other one? That's the button clear. Here it is. So I just copy it here. Right, we want to make it global, so I can put this and put it here. Then I want, of course, this is going to be private as well. The other one is going to be the exit button, which is this one. Get rid of this here. There you go. And I move it up there. Here. Private. And just copy it. There it is. The other things are, if you look in here, we have the text message. Where's the text message? Because we have to say the new. Where's the text message here? You locate it, and then you copy it across up there. Text message content pane as well. here, this one. If you look at this one, because it's new here, can you see it? Here it is. Just do that. There it is, and get rid of this. And for the text field, if you just don't find it, just click in here, and you should find it here somewhere. There it is. All right. So I can get this here. There you go. And I just take it across. There it is. And for text message, just replace it here. And of course, remove that as it causes you problems. So it's a good idea to have all of these in one place. Run it now, and it works. There you go. Right. That's conclude. See how simple you can do that. All you need to do, how you do the events and the for the actual listener, and this create that for you. If we have a look at this here, let me see if that works here now. Here it is. So hopefully it doesn't. No, let's say. Right, we'll have a look into this in next video. But system.exit, let's sort that one out for you. Go back in here, for instance, and we're going to do something we've done last time as well. When I click on here, let me run. When I click on this one here, for instance, when I show, it should give me actually how many times I clicked this one. We've done this last class, but we're going to do it as well here. So of course, that's what they show. So the double click here, that takes you back where the code is supposed to be. All you need to do, create attribute as an integer, and for instance, I will say it's count. Set it. You have to set it to 0 to reset it. And all you do, when I click on the button show, I want that to give me the number, how many clicks. So you say count. Every time I click, it comes in here, so I increase count by 1. And all I can say, for instance, you clicked, then put count, and then say times. So it tells you how many times you clicked on that. You can put space. Can you see the space I put in here? Run it. If I do that now, as we've done before, show, here it is. The number increases as we go along. And this is clear, and this is exit. That's conclude this video, and show you how simple that you can do all the components. I'm going to show you something else as well when you do go along with this one. Other things, one last things, if you want to do, for instance, decrease the number, you can do a button here, and that's decrease and increase as well. Thank you very much, and that shows you actually how simple that is to build applications. Should you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much. Wish you best of luck.